Factor 1. My current situation. The first thing you want to do before starting any type of exercise routine is an evaluation of your current physical state. While there is quite a bit of self-assessment that will go into this, you should also pay a visit to your doctor before you start on your muscle-building journey. Why visit the doctor? Visiting your doctor for a health assessment before starting a new exercise routine is important for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, your doctor will be able to tell you if you're physically capable of doing what you are setting out to do. There are some medical conditions that may require you to do modified strength training exercises, and your doctor can help direct you in this. The other reason you'll want to check with your doctor before you begin is if you are planning on taking any supplements. While the vast majority of protein supplements are perfectly safe, there are some types of supplements that could interfere with medication or medical conditions, so you'll want to double-check with your doctor before starting any supplements. Self-evaluation checklist. As you get ready to start building muscle, you'll need to self-evaluate your physical state. This will help you know how far you've come when you re-evaluate every week or month. Without this baseline, it would be hard to know if you've actually gotten bigger muscles or improved your muscle-to-fat ratio, so be sure to get as accurate of numbers as possible. Here is a checklist of everything you will want to get for a baseline before you begin. O. Body weight. O. Body fat percentage. O. Biceps measurement. O. Triceps measurement. O. Quadriceps measurement. O. Calves measurement. O. Waist measurement. O. Chest measurement. O. Bust measurement for women only. O. Neck measurement. O. Number of push-ups done. O. Number of crunches done. O. 1 RM for every exercise. 1 RM stands for 1 repetition maximum. This refers to the maximum amount of weight that you are able to lift with just one lift. Because lifting the maximum amount is dangerous, you should instead calculate your 1 RM by doing several repetitions with a weight you're more comfortable with, then use an online calculator to find out this number. Muscle building. Be sure to keep the list of these measurements somewhere that you can refer to often as you re-evaluate to make sure that you're on track with your goals. It will also help to keep these handy when you are setting goals for yourself, so you know how high to set the bar for yourself based on where you are now. Now that we've set a path towards muscle building and assessed our current situation, the next thing to get in order is our mind, or mindset, to be a bit more precise, which is what we will cover in the next part.